Welcome to yet another breathtaking episode of FBB Femina मैं Miss India 2014।
Oh God!
आज हम लेकर आए हैं वो behind the scenes action that goes into polishing our top 24 uncut diamonds into that rare gem, जिसकी चमक से जगमगा उठेगा FBB Femina Miss India 2014 finale। पिछले एपिसोड में आपने देखा एक इंटेंस फाइनल ऑडिशन जिससे हमें मिली 24 बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट फाइनलिस्ट्स फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर इंडिया। चलिए थोड़ा करीब से जाने इन रैविशिंग टॉप 24 को।
You only live once. Sometimes there are no second chances. My name's Arpita Kaur. I'm 20 years old. I'm from the beautiful city of Bangalore. I'm intellectual, poised, but a little wild as well. I love art. I love painting. I let out all my anger, let out all my frustration into my paintings. My actual goal in life is to hopefully become an interior design consultant. From the time I was 3 years old, I've been in the modeling industry. Feel as a beauty queen and never say no, it's not gonna happen.
Achieve zenith in whatever you do in life.
Hi, मैं हूँ अदिति वत्स, हिंदुस्तान की खूबसूरत गुलाबी नगरी जयपुर से। I have been a very passionate person about traveling, meet new people, explore different culture, explore all the things around. FBB Femina Miss India is the best platform where I can put in my views, tell people around that what I believe in. So I'm waiting for that moment that I get that crown on my head and go internationally, say proudly that yes guys, I'm Miss India.
Shoot for the moon. Even if you miss, you'll land amongst the stars.
Hi everyone, I'm Amarjot Kaur, 24 years old, from the city beautiful Chandigarh. Currently working as a senior software engineer. I would describe myself as a confident person who loves trying out new things. Photography is my passion. I love clicking nature. All I need is a camera. My best shots include flowers and baby animals. FBB Femina Miss India has been a childhood dream for me. I love walking the ramp and I love the Blue Miss World crown.
An image vividly conceived and stubbornly held has a reality of its own.
Hi, my name is Aradhana Nair. I'm 25 years old and I'm from the capital of our country, New Delhi. I'm a very fun-loving, funny, vivacious, gregarious person. I would love to host my own travel show, which involves singing and dancing also. Millions of girls dream of wearing a pretty gown and a pretty sash over a crown on her head, and I'm no different. Here I am given this opportunity to just explore myself and prove myself to the best.
While most are dreaming of success, winners actually wake up and work hard to achieve it.
My name is Ashwati Ramesh. I'm 20 years old and I come from Bangalore. I also play the piano. You just get this feeling of calm when you're playing. You just become one with the music. I just don't want to be another pretty face, and this competition is basically a platform where I can showcase my personality and work towards greater purposes.
Live each moment to the fullest, be spontaneous. I'm Shamin Sequara, I'm 22 and I'm from Mumbai. I describe myself as being an enthusiastic and outgoing person. I enjoy ballroom dancing, swimming, reading fiction and making jewelry. I've grown up watching beauty pageants and it's always been fascinating to watch them up there on screen. I thought one day I hope maybe I too can be up there, and that happened to me a couple of months ago.
Yesterday is but a dream. Tomorrow is only a vision. But today, well lived, makes every yesterday a dream of happiness and every tomorrow a vision of hope. Hi, my name is Deepti Sati and I come from the city of dreams, Mumbai. I'm trained in classical Bharatanatyam. It's very close to our culture. That is something that will always keep me rooted. My aspirations, everything lies in the glitz and glamour in the entertainment industry. I'm here today to fulfill not only my mom's dream, but my dream also.
Be the change you wish to see in the world.
Hello, my name is Gail Nicole Da Silva. I am 21 years old and I am from Goa. I'm a very fun-loving person. I'm very enthusiastic when it comes to making new friends. One thing that I truly love is reading. I would take last year as an experience, and when I went back home, I did go through all my videos and I noticed all the silly mistakes that I had done. And this year I think I'm fully prepared and confident, and I think I'm ready to win it.
Dream you must, dream big, but more importantly, have it in you to realize it. A 22-year-old army girl, I'm Irshika Mehrotra. A white canvas, a dance floor, and traveling boots give me a high in life. Painting comes to me naturally when I'd like to spend time with myself. Being a part of the bureaucracy of this country, I'd like to give the IAS probably 2 years down the line, and representing my country at the international level and getting the crown back would be something I'd definitely be proud of.
I believe in karma, which is what you give is what you get in return. I'm Janti Hazarika. I'm 20, come from the land of beautiful mighty Brahmaputra, Assam. As I'm doing my designing course, so I'm into designing. And by 22, I want to be settled down in Paris. I want to do my own haute couture show. I like to give a heartful thankful to my mom because she's my inspiration. She was the one, she told like, why don't you give a try in Femina Miss India? And I was like, yeah, it's good for me.
One can achieve anything in life if he or she is passionate towards it. I'm Jatalaka Malhotra, 19 years old, from Mumbai. I like to dance, sing, I like reading, and I love baking. It is a connect between my grandmother and I. She is the one who taught me how to bake. FBB Femina Miss India will only give me the chance and the opportunity to represent my country at Miss World and bring the crown back.
Man cannot discover new oceans unless he has the courage to leave the shore. Embarking upon this theory, I, Koyal Rana from the capital city of Delhi, have set my foot to experience the unparalleled opportunities offered by FBB Femina Miss India. I love dancing, especially contemporary and jazz. The moves, the music, it gives me a high. And it's a perfect exercise for the body. Being honored with the FBB Femina Miss India title will give me a strong platform to advocate my cause.
ये थी 12 creme de la creme Indian beauties. Well, जैसा कि आपने देखा, every contestant has something unique that truly sets her apart. मिलिए 12 और contestants से और देखिए सभी finalists की सपनों की उड़ान कैसे उन्हें श्रीलंका ले जाती है. Right after this break. Welcome back to FBB Femina Ma'am Miss India 2014. It's time to meet and greet our other 12 damsels.
Failure can be forgiven, but low aim is a crime. Hi, I'm Lopamuja Raut. I'm 22 years old. Hail from the city of Nagpur. I like dancing. Kathak dance makes me feel beautiful, so I practice it. Miss India was my dream, and I couldn't make it last year. And I'm sure the learnings from my failure would act as a catalyst in achieving what I want to.
Failure is a teacher and success is a compliment. And who doesn't like compliments? नमस्ते, मेरा नाम मालती चाहर है और मैं 23 वर्ष की हूँ। मैं आगरा से हूँ। मुझे स्पोर्ट्स में बहुत इंटरेस्ट है, ख़ास तौर पर एडवेंचरस स्पोर्ट्स में। मेरा सपना है कि मैं लाइफ में आगे जाके बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल बिजनेस वुमेन बनूँ। मिस इंडिया जीतने के बाद इंडिया को इंटरनेशनल फोरम पर रिप्रेजेंट करना चाहती हूँ और इंडिया के लिए मिस वर्ल्ड का क्राउन वापस आना चाहती हूँ।
I believe be compassionate to animals and humans, as this is what makes us human.
Hi everyone, my name is Mansi Garwal. I am 21 years old from the city beautiful Chandigarh. I am a national level swimmer and a squash player. I love playing squash as it is a meditation for me and I like to sweat it out in the court. I love nature and I'm always high on life. I aspire to be a successful clinical psychologist. I feel this pageant does not only give national and international exposure but also helps you grow as a person.
What goes around comes around. Hi, I'm Medhani Aigur. I'm from Bangalore. I'm 21 years old. I love art. I love to sketch. That is my go-to thing every time I'm either bored or upset. I want to be an architect. I always watched Miss India on the television and I wish I could do it someday. And yeah, I'm here trying to pursue this dream.
You live only once and you have to go there and do everything you possibly can.
My name is Nikhila Nandgopal. I'm from Bangalore and I'm 18 years old. I love challenges. One thing I'm really passionate about is snorkeling. The feeling you get when you are in that water is unbelievable. My first memory, in fact, is me at my Play Home annual day. I was wearing this velvet suit and I still recall myself saying, hey, when I grow up, I'm going to be Miss India. And I'm here to pursue that dream.
Don't let your mistakes define you, let them refine you. Hello, I'm Sahitya Jagannathan, 24, and I'm from Chennai. I love being one with nature. I have a tiny herb garden in my kitchen. Plants just make me happy. 20 years from now, where I see myself, well, I want to be the next woman Prime Minister of India. I'm a tomboy at heart, so you'd see me walking around in just shorts and a gunji and flats. But I still was that little kid draped in my mum's sari, tripping in front of a mirror, practicing having the tiara on my head, because that's just exactly who I wanted to be.
You live life just once, but if you live it right, then once is enough.
I am Sanjana Ganeshan, a 22-year-old software developer and model from Pune, Maharashtra. I am best described as an artist, a nerd, and a dreamer. I enjoy reading because I think that reading brings a lot of peace of mind to me. Femina Miss India came to me and I am absolutely blessed to have this opportunity.
Live and let live, my life mantra.
I'm Simran Khandelwal. मैं हूँ इंदौर से. I'm 18 years old. I'm a confident person. I'm a very sporty person. I've played like almost all the games in sports. I'm a state-level basketball player. I love posing for the cameras. I love walking on the ramp. And I love to be on screen like all the time. FBB Femina Miss India will help me connect to masses and support my cause.
Do your bit and leave the rest to God.
I'm Sonal Rehani, 21 years old, from Jodhpur. A strong, independent, congenial, yet emotional. These are the qualities I possess. I'm extremely fond of swimming. As much as a fun and enthusiastic sport that it is, it's also one of the best full-body workouts. Representing India at an international platform, it's one of those opportunities that no girl would want to miss out on. And I consider myself no exception to that.
जख्मी पैरों का सफ़र अभी बाकी है, जो दिल को छू ले वो खबर अभी बाकी है।
मेरा नाम भानु है, 21 साल की हूँ, रायपुर से आई हूँ। एक चीज़ जिससे मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा खुशी मिलती है, जिसे आप मेरा जुनून कह सकते हैं, एग्जैक्टली वॉलीबॉल। मैं वॉलीबॉल की नेशनल लेवल प्लेयर रह चुकी हूँ। लाइफ में मुझे एक्ट्रेस बनना है और इसलिए मैं सपनों के शहर मुंबई में हूँ। मिस इंडिया सेलिब्रेट्स द इंडियन ब्यूटी एंड स्पेशली इंडियन ब्यूटी सेलिब्रेट्स हर इनर ब्यूटी एंड आई नो आई हैव अ ग्रेट इनर ब्यूटी।
Everything has beauty, but not everyone sees it. Namaste, I'm Varsha Gopal. I'm 19 years old and I'm from the Garden City of India, Bangalore. I'm a trained Bharatanatyam dancer. I started liking Bharatanatyam when I eventually realized that it's a very graceful form of dance. Miss India provides a platform to express your opinions and choices, and most importantly, instills confidence.
मेरी ख्वाहिशें, मेरी उम्मीदें।
मेरा नाम योशिकी सिंदर है और मैं दिल्ली से हूँ। मुझे गाना गाना बहुत पसंद है और मैं अपना हर इमोशन, दुख हो, दर्द हो, हैप्पीनेस, लोनलीनेस, एवरीथिंग, मैं सिर्फ गानों में पिरोती हूँ। I want to be a performer, एक ऐसा performer जिसके साथ हजारों लोग खड़े होकर तालियां बजाएं। I want to be a rock star like Priyanka Chopra. Since childhood, I've been having this dream कि I'm wearing a lavish orange gown and there's a tiara on my head and I'm waving hands. FBB Femina Miss India एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जो मेरे इस ख्वाब को पूरा कर सकता है।
Well, है ना our top 24 एक से बढ़कर एक. We just got a hint of their inner beauty and self-belief. For now, it's time for a break. पर break के बाद the special 24 head to exotic Sri Lanka. Do not miss out. Welcome back to FBB Femina Ma'am Miss India 2014. After knowing the top 24, आप भी agree करेंगे that they deserve a treat for all the hard work they've put in so far. Well, Miss India finalists and perks go hand in hand. And here goes their first special perk as they fly to spectacular Sri Lanka.
We all were so crazy and so enthusiastic to come down to this place. The moment we all reached Sri Lanka, we were told that it's a paradise, and it truly is. It's so beautiful, it's so serene.
For Miss India finalists आ पहुंची है श्रीलंका, जहां उन्हें मिला traditional, warm and an absolutely custom-made welcome at Hotel Cinnamon Bay, Beruwala.
It was
mesmerizing. The costumes were beautiful and the beats were really tip-tapping.
As we entered the hotel, we were welcomed very warmly with a welcome drink which tasted delightfully yummy.
I love the attire and their makeup, and they dance so beautifully. None of us could keep our eyes off them, and we are so glad to be here in Sri Lanka.
I really want to thank them for opening their doors and letting us in.
Ceremonious lamp lighting से लेकर ethnic Kandiyan dance performers की stunts और attires तक, everything looked picture perfect. और क्यों ना हो, our pretty ladies deserve all the luxury and pampering before the glamorous photo shoot.
I just feel as if I'm in my own country.
अभी तो बस शुरुआत हुई है. In the next episode, there's more glitz and glamour क्योंकि हमारी gorgeous girls है तैयार to set Sri Lanka on fire with their oomph and originality. See them juggle between a photo shoot, cooking their own meals, availing the luxury spa at Hotel Cinnamon Bay Beruwala, and lots more. Exclusively on Zoom, India's #1 Bollywood channel.
I'm going to expect the unexpected.